Have you ever wanted to code with Python? Then you're in the right place. Today we're going to be seeing how to install Python. First, you go to the official Python website, make sure it's the official one, and go to downloads. Here you'll have a lot of download options, but you can just click the big yellow button saying download Python. That'll get you the newest version. It'll open up a window, well, you have to open it up, and you will just have to click continue. Read through the instructions and the license and all of that, if you wish. I already have done this, so I'm just going to put in my password and install it. Now we just wait for it to install. Now, for some reason, for me this took more than a minute. It should be pretty quick for you. I have skipped to the end for convenience. If you see, now you have the IDE, the Python launcher, and, well, all the Python stuff. You can go ahead and just close this. It will offer to move to the bin, since you don't need the installer anymore, since you already have it installed. And there you go. Now, to check if it's installed, you can go to your shell or terminal and type python 3 -- version, and then you will get the version that you have installed. I have Python 3.14.2. I don't know what the newest version will be in your time. Now, do you want to do something with this newfound power? Well, there's a few things you can do. You could just use the IDE that comes pre-installed with Python. I use Visual Studio Code. It is quite good for me, at least. It does a lot, like autocomplete code and adds the extra parentheses. There's a lot of things that are quite nice, and it's not just for Python. You could also use Thonny, but that's a bit more bare bones and it's just for Python. You can choose. I think Thonny is better for beginners, and so we will go with Thonny, as you see now. Installing it is quite straightforward. I already had it installed, but I'll just install it again so I show you how. Again, read through the license if you wish, continue, and install. You can also choose where to install it to, but for me, downloads is better. Again, I cut out some of the loading time, and you can delete the installer once it finishes installing. I already had Thonny installed, but other than that, you should have it also new. So, for some reason, I have a file that I have open. I was testing some code. Just ignore this. I think it's a server. Just ignore this. Yeah, you didn't see nothing. You won't have this at all. Okay, so this is the screen that you will see when first starting up, not a bunch of random code. You can do basic things here like print. As you see, it doesn't auto-correct anything. It doesn't like add the other parentheses or anything like that. You have to add it all and write it all yourself. And that's exactly what you said, print. Now, let's install VS Code. Now, we just click the big download button, pretty simple, and it will bring you to this page and start downloading. Now, this process will take a bit longer since Visual Studio Code is a heavier package, bigger package, and thus it'll take longer. I have sped it up, and once it's done, you just put it into your application folder, and you should be done. I only get this warning because, like I said, I already installed VS Studio Code. I'm still learning how to do all this stuff, so if you have any suggestions or questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.